Hello, friend. Mormo here. Today we're looking at an offer and I'm going to decide if I want to buy it or not. I'm going to tell you if you should buy it or not because I already got approved for an affiliate link, so I actually got an affiliate link to this one. And it's a pretty hot offer. I know I could use it in my business. But let's look at the offer now. Okay, friends, so here we have a done-for-you, non-pushy selling system that will easily boost email open rates, build more credibility for your rising brand, and reap more cash from your current email list. And boost the surefire way to boost your open rates, reduce your unsubscribes, build credibility like a boss, increase your sales numbers, and get full private label rights to everything to rebrand and use it as your own. Look at all these sales they're getting. They're getting all kinds of sales every day. Open rates are dwindling. Yep. I don't know why they decided to position this as like an email product, because I know I could use this on my email system. I'm on Substack and you can host videos on Substack. So I could put these videos on Substack. Of course, I'd rebrand them, and if you're interested in using PLR, I highly suggest that you rebrand the videos, and we can talk about that later. But it says, so it's like still just talking about email. Done 80 done for you, short value orientated, rebrandable videos with a completely ready to go training center that will sell to your list like a ninja. All while your audience gets impactful short video content that nobody else is willing to do. Interesting. Done for you system with private label rights. Non-pushy selling strategy that gets more sales. Separate yourself from the crowd to gain competitive edge. Impactful content that provides real quality value. Shorts and straight to the point for busy people. Bring life by leveraging on the power of audio visual. Here comes the best part, our game-changing ninja selling technique revealed. And here's samples of the shorts. These are the vertical videos, offer a wide variety of content.
The best practice is to update your members area at least once per day.
So that's pretty professional. And keep in mind, you could always rebrand that. Like, you could put it in Canva and put like stickers and shit on it, and like or like add your own intro of you speaking. And I'm sure you could do this all on your phone as well. I'm not really smart about using a phone. I do everything on a laptop. But see, it also comes with horizontal dimension for like YouTube or a regular video, a long video that you want to make. And they're pretty good. They're like a minute long, which is pretty cool. Especially if you're just trying to get somebody's attention and just a real quick little lesson. 80 carefully researched, value orientated, done for you short videos with private label rights, vertical and horizontal dimensions. So that's pretty cool. And here's a list of all the topics of all the videos. Okay, here finally, so you can do something other than email with them. You can use these splendid short videos on your landing pages, your bonus pages, your pre-sale pages, your thank you pages, your download pages, and so much more. And so you also get the slides, so if you wanted to just re-record the video in your own voice using the slides, it comes with 80 times slides, horizontal and vertical, I believe. Anyways, you get the slides. 80 sets of professional voiceovers. So you could just use the audio. If you had a podcast, you could use those on your podcast. 80 turnkey video pre-sale pages. A pre-sale page. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you could... It's like a video landing page. And click here to continue. That's actually pretty awesome. I like that feature a lot. But I don't know if you have to buy like hosting to use the pages or anything. You might have to buy hosting to use the pages. Plug and play video website portal, mobile responsive HTML format. Now that you've got all that video in your hands, we made it extremely easy to own your very own video content website. Imagine all 100 videos in one single portal under your brand. You can choose to sell or provide your audience with free unlimited access. The choice is yours, and you'll stand to gain no matter what. Wow. A website portal. That's pretty cool. Dang, so you could give them away for free or access. That's really cool. Module 6, ready-made capture and delivery page. Lead capture page to grow your subscribers list. Delivery page or thank you page. That's cool. Less than $10. So you get all that. And it launches in 10 hours, 5 minutes. And you cannot sell, give away the editable files, so you can't sell the slides or the audios or anything like that. The sales pages. Cannot sell, give away resale rights. Cannot sell, give away master resale rights. Cannot sell, give away private label rights. But over here, you can edit, rename, rebrand, and sell the PDF report. See, I never saw where it was talking about a PDF report. So I think they probably just recycled this from one of their other product launches. So the rights are kind of unclear on this one, but it says like... can be used as content for your own website, can be added to free paid membership sites, PDF report only. Oh man, the rights are screwy on this one. Let's jump back over to the webcam. Okay, friends, so there you saw the sales page for the Internet Marketing PLR Shorts, or Internet Marketing Shorts PLR, and I think it looks like a really good product. On the sales page, it talked a lot about email marketing, and I know I could definitely use these videos in my email marketing. I use Substack for email, and they have video hosting now as part of their service. And so I could just take the horizontal video and then slap some new music. Oh, excuse me. Just drinking water tonight. But, anyways. Yeah, it's PLR, and you could use it, so I could use these videos on Substack. That's what I was saying. And then I could also use these on Gumroad if I wanted to, make a horror hosting movie, one of my horror cash movies. I could just paint up my makeup and everything, and do videos where I show one of these short horizontal videos, and then comment and talk about it and give my own opinion on what was taught and everything. And that would be one way. I could turn them, take 30 of them and turn it into a really long product. And you could also use them on YouTube, but only if you rebrand them. Don't just upload them raw to YouTube. The rights were not very clear, I didn't think, on this product, which it seemed like they were just recycled from another product or something, and not cleaned up and fixed for this launch yet or something. It launches in 10 hours, so maybe they'll fix that, because it was saying can be uploaded to free membership site, and then it said PDF only, and then it never even mentioned there being a PDF on the sales page. So the rights were a little confusing on this one, but the no's were just all the big no's, no resell rights, no private label rights, no giving away the source files and stuff. But it had a lot of nice features, like that portal that you could sell, or a web portal or something. It sounded pretty cool. And then the landing pages, those would be pretty nice to own. And I don't know, it looked like a really good package. I think it's under $10. Of course, I was approved for an affiliate link, so if you buy through my link, then I get a commission all through the funnel, and there's a long funnel on this one. You'll be offered. if you buy the front end, the internet marketing vertical and horizontal videos, then you'll immediately be offered like a ton more PLR and done for you, and it's like a big long funnel. So be prepared for that if you do buy, and I'll put my affiliate link in the description, and it's up to you if you want to buy it or not, but I think I told you what I would do with it if I got it. It would be pretty fun to upload it to YouTube. You could do a YouTube podcast, and then just rebrand the videos and then upload them, and that would be pretty awesome. And it came with all of the source files and even audios and everything. It's a pretty full package. So if you want to buy it, you can click my affiliate link in the description. And thanks so much for watching.